So I bought this new soldering iron and 2 extra tips, 150 watts. So we're gonna check out if it's any good. So keep watching. So let's open her up. Oh, we got a stand. But I got my own, so looks decent, looks nice. Let's plug it in and see what it gives. I'll put it in here already. It's off. It goes on pretty fast. Whoa, 480 degrees Celsius. What is the 9 and the 8 stands for? You can see, you can change it over here to different temperatures. Now it drops to 425. If you go to the 6, it goes to 400. So it has pre-adjusted temperatures in there with numbers. So that's a great thing. So if you only want to have something to solder at 220, you can go to 220, I think. No, 250 is the lowest it can get. So from 250 until 480. The link is going to be in the description, of course. I'm going to put it off for a second. And then I'm going to take this tip on out. That's a big one.
That's what she said.
I ordered this to solder the ESCs. And this is a small one. Or smaller one. So it finally cooled down. It takes a long time, of course. It's off, still off. You open it this way, you turn on it, and then the tip can get out. It's a long tip, you can see, so it's very well heated. So I'm going to put this one on there, a flat one. Gives you more. Fits on there perfectly. And then heat it up. Now it's on 1, but we're going to get it on 9, so I'm gonna put it on 480 degrees Celsius. I got here some things that I cut off, so it's not very soldered very well, but that doesn't matter. So we're going to see if it desolders good. It's on 480 degrees right now, as you can see. I think it starts blinking all the time. It doesn't stop blinking, so let us see if it works. Man, that thing works great. It works really great. Solders very fast, so I like this one. I like this one a lot. This is the number ST-2150D, and it's from the brand Atten, but I think you can also buy it on AliExpress or Banggood, but I'm not sure. But the links, everything will be in the description. So thank you for watching. See you later. Like and subscribe. Bye.